The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade says no Jamaican has been injured in the security standoff in Mexico. The authorities say based on checks at this time, no Jamaican is in areas facing security issues. Mexico has been locked in turmoil since Sunday as the country's security forces and armed men trade bullets over the death of a drug lord. Details in this report.
Sections of Mexico transformed into a war zone. Over the last 36 hours, airlines, cars and buildings have been burnt while bullets echo. Thugs loyal to El Mento have killed 30 people in reprisal for his death, and that figure includes one civilian. El Mento was killed in an operation by the Mexico Militar. He was the leader of one of Mexico's most powerful drug cartels and was being tracked by the USA for supplying fentanyl into America. Jamaica's Foreign Affairs Minister has been monitoring the situation.
Further to my discussions with the embassy, the Jamaican embassy in Mexico City, I can advise that we are not aware of any Jamaicans in any of the affected states and certainly not any injuries. The desk that is assigned within the Mexican Foreign Ministry has confirmed that there are no reports of Jamaicans injured in the upsurge in violence. And they've also reported that normalcy has returned to a large extent in the majority of areas.
Between 5,000 and 10,000 are estimated to visit Jamaica each year, including for vacation. Countries such as Belize have told their residents to avoid non-essential travel to Mexico at this time. Executive Director of the Tourism Enhancement Fund, Dr. Kerry Wallace, in the meantime, says a plan is being devised to redirect tourists from Mexico to Jamaica.
You saw the crime activities in Mexico. I mean, that in one day it has shut down Mexico, which has millions and millions of visitors. I mean, at the same time where there's a cold front going on in the northeast. I mean, as we get off this call, the whole ministry is going to be frantic in terms of trying to get more flights into Jamaica and to get so I think we can anticipate certainly a boom. Not trying to be inconsiderate of what's going on in Mexico and the Mexican people. I do feel bad for them and wish that no country would have to go through that.
Mexico is one of Jamaica's major tourism competitor in the region. Mackenzie Robinson, TVJ News.